roar, the road, the world outside. The rush, the hush. Get set. Let's ride.
Day 2. We are going to make our way down the valley there. Adventure is on the doorstep.
Where stories seep like wishes, while stoic stone withstands, and rivers carve their fissures through noble ancient lands.
What a beautiful place to live, on a castle on Loch Sam.
While lochs and glens and granite keep watch before your eyes, where hills are ruled by proud red deer and eagles rule the skies.
Tomorrow got some mountain pass that I think is going to be pretty breathtaking.
Because we're so far north and because it's middle of winter, it's nearly 8 o'clock in the morning and it's still pitch black.
Embarking in the darkness, the morning masked by night. Then marvel at the starkness, uncovered by the light. The wilderness is calling, adventure-drenched terrain. The drama deep, enthralling, the charm of the untamed.
This is our first proper uphill, windy road section of the trip. Travelling up this pass has been amazing, way beyond what we thought. Bike's just so light, so responsive.
Head down this track, the next right, there's a little curve and hopefully so much count.
Although you leave no traces, the act of passing through makes you a part of this place, and it a part of you. It's wild but not forbidden, this world through which we glide, inscribed with concrete ribbons, inviting us to ride. With grateful admiration for those who paved the way, to whose determination we owe this ride today. We'll ride until the road ends, immersed in timeless scenes. Lost in the right direction, for that's what freedom means.